students, today we will create a project in Advanced Java, and in which we will be considering the communication between client and server. Here client is sending a message to server and server is confirming that he has received this message. So here what we are using, client is a HTML file, server is the whatsoever input is being received from the client, server is processing that data with the help of servlet, and then after having processed, then that is being sent to JSP file. So here I am taking a message, this message is being processed here, and then finally is being sent as an output to JSP file. So let us see this in the Eclipse. So for this, what I'll do, I'll create a project, and here I'll create a dynamic project. I'll name this project as comproj and then finish it. My project has been created. Go inside. In the src main folder, here you will need to create a file folder. Sorry, you need to create a class. This class is servlet class, and that servlet class, give that class name as package name as com package, and class name you can give as web servlet 1, and say next, and here remove do get. We will go by do post. Do post is much more reliable. So here now remove this, not required, remove this, not required, remove this, not required. Now here come here and just save it for the time being. Go down to src folder. In the src folder you can see there when web app folder. In the web app folder you can create a HTML file, client file. So HTML file, give it index.html, and in this one what you can do, you can create a form and you can define the action. Action means this will be sending this data to your to servlet, and the servlet name is web servlet 1, and by which method? It will be using method post method, and then close it. You will get the servlet. Now here you can enter a message that you want to send to the server. Sorry, message, and send this message to server. And for this you will get it from user. So use input to get it. Input type you can put it as a text, and you will have to define some ID to this. So give ID as say message. I'll use everywhere message. This will be nice for me. Then ID, and then name, again name, also message. This will be quite easy. So done. Message will be entered, but after this I want to submit it. So I'll use input, and I'll again type. So I'll use it as submit, because submit will be performing my operation for sending it. So submit, done, and now save it. Save it. Go to your web app again and create one more file, that is JSP file, which you want to use to display your data. So give this file name as display, and just finish it. Done. And now come here. First of all, let us go to my servlet. In the servlet I need to define. I need to get that data, HTML data, client data. So client data I'll get in a string. That string is message again, and this message is being requested requested to your HTML file. Get parameter we will be using for that, and we will be writing here that message, because you are receiving this message from your HTML file. So this message data has been received. Now send this data to your display.jsp. So for that one you will have to set first data, you will have to post this data, request for posting data, request, and then you will have to define one parameter, set parameter, and then message, that this message will be sent from server to your JSP page message. And what message you will be sending? The above one. So the above written message is a variable. See, this message will be sent to this, and this one will be sent to this, and this one will be sent to a file. So now after this, this has been this will be posted. Now for this one, we need to post it. Get request dispatcher. Get request dispatcher. Dot get request dispatcher, and then in the request dispatcher you can define that file name .jsp, and it will be sent to this file. And then here you can include path, you can include both the object, request and response object, so that these will be sent to that one. Now go to display. Now go to display, and display .jsp, define this, that you have received this message received from client. What message you have received from client? You are sending a confirmation, so that confirmation is being sent to the client. You can put it as inside the dollar sign, with the dollar sign inside the curly bracket, that is message, because your message was the variable. So now it is done, and put it little bigger. So let us make it h1, put inside the h1 tag like this. So now with this, I think we are done. Save it, and you can run the server. So you have communication project is here, comproj. Inside this we have got Java resources, and inside the Java resources we have got a package, and in that package we have got web servlet. Servlet, you can see this web servlet is getting data from HTML file, and then it is making it to post to server JSP file, and with the help of this message is being sent to display.jsp, and in the display.jsp we have defined that message variable, message parameter here. So I hope this program should run now, and I hope you must, again you can see what exactly the aim is. Our aim was this. So we were starting from here, sending to the servlet is sending to the server page, so that one would be able to see what whether the message has been received from the client or not. So now let us go back to run to server. So here you can click right mouse button, and you can run it, run as server, and save it. You can run it. So start your server, say next, and your comproj is here, and finish, say OK. Your message will be displayed if it is working perfectly. So here you need to give I am a client, and then submit it. Your message received from client, I am your client. Okay, please. So like this way you have completed this project. So you have done communication in between three things. The first one is your HTML file, second one is your servlet, and third one is your JSP, which is displaying your message. So like this you can pass on other variables, like you can check out for the logins, you can do validations for logins, and if login is correct, then you can say that this user has been accepted as a new user, like that. So this was all about about communication between client and server. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.